It's a great week for Israeli medical companies as two major deals have just been announced. First, Israel's MediWound Ltd biotech firm has just received a new contract for roughly $43 million in order to continue developing their incredible burn treatments. And second, Medtronic, a Dublin-based medical technology firm, acquired Israeli medical tech company Mazor Robotics for $1.64 billion. The companies made the announcement late Thursday and are very excited for what is to come in the future of surgical robotics and spinal surgery technology.
Medtronic already has 11% stake in Mazor, but is now set to acquire the shares they do not already own. The boards of directors of both companies have unanimously approved the transaction, and the deal is set to close by the end of January 2019. The technology of Mazor was created by Moshe Shocham, a medical engineer from the Technion Israel Institute of Technology. He created a technology that enabled spinal surgery to go from a freehand procedure to an accurate and cutting-edge guided procedure using robotics. And this technology was used in the world's first dual robotic surgery performed at Hadassah Hospital in Kerem in Jerusalem on April 2017. But piggybacking on Mazor's achievements, this buyout agreement is Medtronic's effort at becoming a leader in spinal surgery using guided robotics, and it's the largest amount paid in history for any Israeli company within the medical sector. Medtronic's acquisition of Mazor Robotics is the fourth billion-dollar deal for an Israeli company in 2018, though. In August, global beverage giant Pepsi announced it was buying SodaStream for $3.2 billion, following the May acquisition of Frutarom for $7 billion by American multinational IFF, or International Flavors and Fragrance. Then, 2 months prior, there was the purchase of Orbotech by California KLA Tencor Corporation for $3.4 billion. As for MediWound, the United States Biomedical Advanced Research and Development Authority, or BARDA, has approved a new contract of $43 million so that, among other things, the Israeli Ltd can continue developing a gel based on pineapple enzymes. The gel is used in the treatment of burns, specifically for injuries caused by mustard gas or other mass casualty events, and this latest contract is in addition to the $132 million in funding that BARDA has already paid to MediWound. But all in all, Israeli startups and high-tech companies were sold for $6.22 billion in just the first half of 2018 alone. Not bad for a state about the size of New Jersey.